Hi guys, my name is Prince Sethi and today we are going to do a function in VBA. How to create, how to develop your own customized function in VBA. There are basically two types of categories of procedure. Like first one is sub procedure and the second one is function. Sub procedure is basically done whatever the statement, whatever the information you have put inside the procedure, and the function will return a specific value. Like in Excel, we usually apply some functions. Like I do have a few names over here. Like I do have a name, and I'm just applying a function called length, and I'm just giving the reference of a specific cell. So what will this length function will do? It will throw a value which will let us know how much the length it contains. So 6 is the value which is being returned by len function. Okay, so this is the inbuilt function. This is already been provided by Microsoft, but somehow in I'm sorry, in your day-to-day work there are some functions that you have to apply, but they are customized function. Means you want your customized output from the function. You want to take the customized output. Okay, so same way you can create your own function. Like I'm mentioning few name over here. I'm just taking a simple example. Like I do have Prince, I do have a Sethi. So if you see the name of this particular font is called Calibri. Okay, so I want I should develop a function. I should create a function which will let me know what is the name of this particular font, what will be the name of this particular text. Okay, so we don't have any specific function for the same, but we can create these kinds of functions in VBA. So let's see how it's been work over here. So I'll not take you much in technical terms. Okay, so straightforward, I'm just opening VBA editor. Okay, so I'm just inserting a modules over here. Okay, okay, I'm creating function over here. Okay, so create a function. So first of all you need to mention function name. Like function, what will be the name? Like I'm taking name of font, so I'm just mentioning get name, and over here we can pass the value or pass the parameters. Like in length, if you have remember, I have just reference a specific cell. Okay, the same way I will mention the same thing over here. Okay, so let's suppose I want x will be x as a variable, and I'm taking it as a range. Range mean to say the specific cell value, and it would be as a string. Fine. So what I want x dot font dot name. X is a reference. Like I will mention over there get name like this way. So Prince will be moving to x, and I want its font name. Fine. So, and I want to return this value in, I want to put this value in get name. Get name is my function name. So whatever the value comes, it will be inserted in this particular name, and after that it will be reflected in front of us. Like we see that, like I'm just mentioning get name is the is the function name which you have just mentioned. Okay, and the reference, this is x variable, and x, and after that will be put into get name. Fine, like this way. So like I'm just changing its name. So if just refresh it like this way. So if you see Adobe Caslin Pro Bold or whatever the font name is, so we don't have any specific formula to just to check the font name, but we have developed it. So I'm just taking one more example so that you can understand in a more efficient way. Okay, so let's suppose I do have few names over here. I'm taking a few names over here, like I do have Prince, Anu, Anshika, Ramesh and Asha, whatever, fine. So I do have their surname as well. So like I do have Sethi, I do have Arora, I do have Malhotra, Verma and Sethi as well, same. Okay, so I want the output should be like this way: P Prince space Sethi. So first of all I'm just making into uppercase. After that I'm concatenating, and in during concatenation I'm just putting space over there. You can do the same thing through a concatenation function also, but it will take some time. I mean, you have to just customize it. But like if you on a daily basis you have to want these kinds of output, for that you can create your own customized function as well. So I'm just creating the same thing. So again reaching over there, like I'm creating function like full name, whatever the name you want to give, it's up to you. Okay, so I want full name should be like this way: full name, the first parameter, and after that it will be second parameter. Both are in text format, so you can mention the same thing over here, like my first parameter would be X and it would be as of string type. Second parameter name Y, and again it will be a string type, or it will be treated as a string. Fine. So again it's up to you, means how much you want to enter. So I'm just taking 2 string as of now, and what I want X, the first parameter value would become in uppercase. For that we have a function called ucase X. Fine. After that I want there would be again a space would be there, space would be there, and after that ucase of Y, and whatever the output will be, the output will be put into my function. So my function name is full name. So full name. Okay, so this way. So let's see how it's been shown over there. I'm just mentioning status whatever. So is equals to full name. Again it's been reflecting, this is my first parameter and this is my second parameter. So if you see, I'm just dragging this value and here is the output. So full name is your own customized function. Again it's up to you if you want to make it in as a lowercase or a proper case, whatever you want to do, but you have created a customized function. So just taking one or two more example, just a bit difficult, okay, so like I do have few names over here along with their employee ID. Like I do have name Prince, and I do have their ID I do have their ID this way: Anu, Anshika, Ramesh, whatever it is, or Asha. So my concept is I just want to segregate, I just want to delimit text from number. I mean to say I want the employee ID values only. Employee ID mean to say the output should be 22025 and same way 1 2 3 4 5 6 or whatever it is. So I want only and only the numeric part. Fine, this would be my output. So again this is possible through the function as well, but for that you have to create a very long function, and it's sometimes it's a bit difficult for someone to understand it. Okay, so for that I'm just creating a small function for the same, if I have to create number. So I'm going over there, creating a function name. The name will be, it's up to you, like I'm mentioning my own name, prince extract number, whatever. Okay, so and I'm just targeting to a cell. So let's suppose target is my name, target as range. So this is the reference which I'm going to enter. So the target value, okay, what I'm going to do is the target value should come into X, target dot value. I'm putting this value into X, or you can mention the same thing in X as well. I mean, you can just directly put this value into X, so it's up to you. So now the concept is, okay, so if you see this particular word, so I do have 6, I mean the text value, text values, and 5 is the number. I mean total I do have 11 values over here. So but the concept is I have to check each and every character. If this is a number, then it should be delimit with the text, or if it's a text, so it remain as it is. Fine. So first of all I have to check the length of this particular character. Okay, so for that I'm just putting okay, so I do have the value in X as of now, so I'm just checking the length. So length of X, what I can put this value into a variable called m. So it's up to you, or otherwise you can check directly this way, just because I just have to run a loop for that. So for I is equals to 1 to length of X, it's up to you, I mean. Okay, so next, okay, so what I have to check as of now, the first value, whether the first value in the entire text is, the first text is numeric or not, the first character value. Okay, so I'm checking if is numeric, is numeric the first value. So for that I have to apply mid function as well, mid X comma I is my first value, and after that I just want to check first point. Okay, so okay, so two brackets get closed, and then I want this specific value will be put into another variable, like temp variable. I'm just taking temp variable, or you can take it as a double X as well. Okay, so XX and mid of again X I 1. Okay, and if okay, so mean to say, firstly it will check X contains the entire string, which is prince 22025. I first time it will be 1, and I'm checking the first vector value. So first character will be P. Check if P is numeric, so in first time it will be gets false, so it will comes automatically over here. So next time it will go over here, check R, I, N, C, E and so on, and after that when it will be reached to 22025, so the 7th position, I would be 7th at that time, 7th, and I'm just taking a single character. If the 7th character is numeric, then it will be put into double X. So in double X, as of now it will be only 2. Again it will be move, I means it's going rotate, so next time again 2 will come over there, again XX become 22, and after that it again 0, then it become 220, again 2, 5 and so on. So the last, the value in XX would be 22025. okay, the same way for next no, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and it will be going over. So just check how it's been working over there. So like what okay, so I'm just mentioning is equals to prints extract number. Okay, okay, so let me check first what I have made. Oh, I'm sorry, I haven't put this value in my function name. So my function name is, I'm just making its copy, whatever the value comes from through XX, it needs to be put into my function name. So my function name is prints extract number. So right now hope it will work. Okay, prints extract number and the reference of that particular string. Fine. So if you see, I'm just extracting perfectly fine. So it could be like this way also. So if you see, only the numeric part is only the numeric part is extracting. So it might be like this way, 1, 2, 3. So no matter. So only the number part will be extracted. So if I'll just do it through function, so it's become, I mean the Excel function which Microsoft has applied to us. So it will become a bit difficult to understand, but through your own customized function, it's pretty easier. Okay, the same way which we have extracted number part, the same way you can extract text part as well. So I'm just making it as a text. So okay, so if you see, there will be minor change to extract string value. The only thing is where I'm checking is numeric, so I have to check is text, but we don't have any function over there to check is text. So I'm mentioning note over there. Note is a invert operator. Fine. So if it's a note numeric, then I mean it's just the opposite of above function. Rest everything has been fine, I think. Okay, so just taking a look back. Okay, so like prints extract text. Oh, sorry. So I did a mistake. I have to again copy and paste this name. Okay, prints extract text and the reference. Okay, so if you see, only the text portion will be extracted. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. You have learned how to extract number or text, or how the function in macro it's working. So I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.